Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, we have definitely seen an uptrend that's starting to form for majority of the altcoins, including Bitcoin, where it was able to reclaim close to 90,000 after the big volatile market that we experienced due to Trump announcing the crypto, the reserves that might go through, but then there was a strong sell-off. Now there is a driving factor in that news. President Trump to reveal the Bitcoin reserve strategy at the White House Crypto Summit this Friday, and this is the news which is actually getting a lot of people excited, and at the same time the anticipation is starting to increase. BlackRock CEO Larry says investors should buy if there is a big dip, and that big dip is obviously talking about crypto. Mexican billionaire with a net worth of 5.8 billion allocates 70% of his portfolio to Bitcoin. Now, if you do your maths, that comes to about 4 to 5 billion, somewhere in the middle of that. That's a lot of money that's been allocated just to one asset. At the same time, El Salvador defines the IMF, doubles down on Bitcoin despite the warnings that other MPs are giving, and Dogecoin breaks below 20 cents. Will bears target 13 cents next? There's a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, especially turn on your notification for the latest and the greatest news first. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, start spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you the way Dogecoin is acting. The reason this is so interesting is you'll realize that Dogecoin was able to spike really high, and the sell-off was actually very strong, which actually fell below the previous consolidation zone. Currently, the jump up that we have experienced in the last 24 hours has just put us back to the previous consolidation zone, which is close to 20 cents. If we are able to hold 20 cents, there will be a lot stronger momentum that will build in the near-term future. If you talk about Bitcoin, you can see that sitting close to 90,000, and that's why there is a lot of anticipation of Friday. Before Friday, if there is any sort of crazy news that Trump is going to drop, will definitely impact the crypto market very heavily. If you talk about Cardano, that's been the best performing token ever since any sort of news came out, because you know that after there was a little bit of sell-off after the peak, it did not actually fall down to its previous support. It actually stayed in the middle ground, and now it's climbing again, clearly suggesting that there is more things to happen with Cardano. And Cardano surged 60% due to inclusion in the US crypto strategy, reflecting a significant institutional interest that's important in the national resources. And let me tell you one other interesting fact. The CEO of Cardano is definitely going towards in a positive trend, because you guys know in 2020 he was not very, he was not very supportive is probably the word, to other cryptocurrencies, but currently he's mentioning how XRP is going to be a big part of the entire ecosystem for the crypto market as well. So let me tell you, a lot of people are very happy with him. Talking about the open interest, today Dogecoin open interest was not able to climb to 1 billion, and same story is actually repeating for Bitcoin. While previously it was sitting close to 30 billion, now it's at 25. And the total number of Dogecoin addresses have hit an all-time high of 83 million. Why is this so significant? Just to give you perspective, this means 1 in 80 people on the entire planet now have some sort of Dogecoin. This is a lot of people which are holding, and this should give you perspective when people say less than half of people on the world actually know about crypto. That's already a lot of people. So right now we do have more money that will be flowing through every single time some sort of crazy news drops. And Tether strengthens the regulatory focus with the new CFO, while appointed Simon as the new chief financial officer to lead its effort towards a full financial audit, reforming its commitment to transparency. The move comes as Tether expands its institutional reach. The reason they're trying to do all this, where every single backlash that they experienced in the EU, they want to ensure that they're able to fix that, so they're able to re-enter the big market of EU and make as much profit as possible. They're trying to be more and more transparent to ensure that the new investors into Tether company are also very, a little bit calmer and more Understanding. Whales have bought another 180 million Dogecoin just in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin has historically rebounded from trader loss margin of 12%. Right now, we're sitting at 15, signaling a potential reversal very soon. And seeing that Trump is going to be doing more things with crypto, I mean, on Friday, we will be seeing more volatile market. And if you look at the overall stock market as well, it's definitely getting a very, very hefty push. Bitcoin sharpens ratio typically retests the low risk after hitting high risk. This could be time to start setting cash aside, get ready for a potential buy the dip opportunity. So currently, Bitcoin is at 90K. There's been 2 instances where we fell all the way down to about 73,000 or 78,000 to be more precise. Well, Bitcoin was not actually the buying opportunity if you ask me. It's actually the altcoins, your favorite altcoins. You need to ensure that you're able to DCA into them to ensure that you're able to make more profit in the coming time. At the same time, China warns if war is what the US wants, be it a tariff war, a trade war, or any other type of war, we are ready to fight till the end. Now, this was a statement that was pretty much put, but there was no sources that I could find, but it's very interesting to see where this all will lead to. An El Salvador president says country will not stop purchasing Bitcoin for its strategic reserve. And this should give you perspective in terms of how El Salvador still sees a lot of potential in the crypto market. And here are crypto XCs confirmed to attend the White House first ever crypto summit. And the biggest one being obviously Donald Trump. And this is going to be the first summit. It's in about 48 hours, so you should be very, very excited. And once that goes through, this summit can definitely change the whole trajectory of the crypto market. And that's why right now we're experiencing the inflow of cash, as a lot of people are expecting the news to drop. Also, just a little bit of a disclaimer from my side. When this news comes out, it's going to be very, very important for you to be very ready that the market can become volatile in a negative way, because if you have not been in crypto for a long period of time, you might not know, but usually the rumors are going to be building up the market, which is, mentioning the Bitcoin reserve in the crypto summit, the first crypto summit. But soon as the news drops, there's going to be a little bit of a pullback. That's just an estimation. I'm not saying it's going to be happening for sure, but just be a little ready. And a new SEC closed door meeting coming. Will XRP case be resolved finally? I mean, SEC is recently trying to close as many cases as possible, but knowing how big the XRP case is, they need to ensure that they are 100% certain before the case closes and is in favor of XRP. But we can say one thing, that XRP is definitely already in a positive trend. Other than that, everything I said today, not financial advice. I just like to talk about my personal opinion. If you enjoyed, drop a like on it. It's your money. Make sure you do your own research before you put anything into anything. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.